10th ఇంటర్ ఫలితాల్లో ఢిల్లీ పబ్లిక్ స్కూల్ ప్రభంజనం. ఇటీవల కేంద్ర ప్రభుత్వం ప్రకటించిన 10th, 12th సిబిఎస్ఈ ఉత్తమ ఫలితాలు సాధించిన డిపిఎస్ విద్యార్థులను చైర్మన్ కొమరయ్య ప్రశంసించారు. విద్యార్థులు అవిశ్రాంత కృషి, ఉపాధ్యాయుల నిరంతరం అండదండలు విద్యార్థులు ఉన్నత శిఖరాలపై నిలబెట్టాయని కొమరయ్య ప్రశంసించారు. 10వ తరగతి ఫలితాలు 99.2% మార్కులతో షారోన్ సమన్విత మొదటి స్థానంలో నిలవగా, 98.8 మార్కులతో అన్సిక చతుర్వేది ద్వితీయ స్థానం, 98.6% మార్కులతో పాము అక్షర, శ్రీపద నీలమాధవ్, శశాంక్ సింగిల్ ద్వితీయ స్థానంలో నిలిచారు. మొత్తం 235 మంది 10వ తరగతి విద్యార్థులు పరీక్ష రాయగా 100% ఉత్తీర్ణత సాధించి తల్లిదండ్రులు, ఉపాధ్యాయులు గర్వించదగ్గ ఫలితాల్లో వారి ప్రతిభను చాటుకున్నారని స్కూల్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ అనుపమ సక్సేనా తెలిపారు. ఇంటర్ సెకండ్ ఇయర్ ఫలితాల్లో 32 మంది విద్యార్థులు హాజరు కాగా 100% ఉత్తీర్ణత సాధించి అందులో 80% పైగా 9 మంది రాగా, 70% 18 మంది, 60% 32 మంది పైగా విద్యార్థులు ఫలితాలు సాధించారని, సైన్స్ విభాగంలో 89.2% మార్కులతో పుట్టపు సాయి అక్షర మొదటి స్థానం, 88.2 మార్కులతో అనుభవ్ ఆనంద్ ద్వితీయ స్థానంలో, 84.8% మార్కులతో కొట్టం రుత్విక్ రెడ్డి తృతీయ స్థానంలో నిలిచారని అనుపమ సక్సేనా తెలిపారు. కామర్స్ విభాగంలో 82% మార్కులతో శ్రేయస్ రాజ్ షైని మొదటి స్థానం నిలవగా, 75.4 మార్కులతో కాకుమాని కీర్తన ద్వితీయ స్థానం, 74% మార్కులతో యారం మహేందర్రెడ్డి ద్వితీయ స్థానం నిలిచారని అన్నారు. ఉత్తమ ఫలితాలు సాధించిన విద్యార్థులను చైర్మన్ కొమరయ్య, ప్రిన్సిపల్ అనుపమ సక్సేనా అభినందించారు.
Well, as far as this results are concerned, to begin with, I'm very, very thankful to Komaraya sir and of course the entire management for giving us the liberty and the opportunity to make our children the way we could. We have really worked very hard, the entire team, parents, they have worked very hard, night and day. We were running classes till 7:30. Over and above that, those who were not able to take on the classes till 7:30, we were running online classes parallelly. The children, they were every week we were running a counseling session, psychological counseling session. Even yesterday morning, we had a counseling session asking our children not to worry. So the entire idea was to make our children comfortable. Specifically class 10th children very, very comfortable. Class 12th, yes, we were a little apprehensive because it was the first batch and we had taken all the children from whichever board they had come from. But all thanks to the entire teamwork that we had. It is an entire teamwork. They have really done it very well. The results, even in the first batch, 72% average is a great average. That is what I would like to say. With averages, individual subject averages running from 86 to 71 is not a bad average at all. We are really very, very thankful and we expect even better results next year. Next year would be the second year. 3 of our children have already been selected for JEE. And besides that, besides academics, our own class 10th and 12th children continued participating in sports, in various other activities. These children, they are going to represent India in Dubai for the this Arabic competition. Ma'am would be taking them along, and they have been selected out of entire country. So it is not that we have been given this support, this freedom that we can take them into sports, into multicultural activities, giving them the confidence, giving them the mind. It is not only education. That education can be provided by any XYZ organization, call it Narayana or anybody. But then the overall development, which is the purpose of DPS Nagarkul, is always upheld. So that you have seen, these children, they hadn't prepared their speech. They could come and speak effortlessly. They can do that only because they are given that opportunity every now and then. We have also been, sir, shortlisted for the NCRT e-magazine we had participated, and we are through with the first round of that. So we are diverging into any activity. You call it literary, you call it sports, you call it science. We in the Hyderabad itself, we had won the first prize in CBSE science exhibition. So we are working. We are going to introduce Vidyarthi Vigyan Manthan and apply for the Inspire Awards. We have got 2 patents this year in AI. So all this has been possible because the children, they have been made to think, innovate. Now the mother who had come, whose child has got only 79%, but the child is so innovative. Is prepared 2 drones which can work in the fire as a fire extinguisher. If there is a fire, they can go inside and extinguish fire. So this is the kind of liberty that is given to them. This is the kind of overall development that we are trying to give our children. And all thanks to sir. I'm really thankful. I've been a new person. All from north, but then I don't feel like an alien or a lonely person. This entire team has been super fantastic with that. Thank you very much.
ఈరోజు నాగర్గుల్ డిపిఎస్ హిస్టరీలో ఫస్ట్ 12th బ్యాచ్ మంచి హైయెస్ట్ మార్క్స్తోని 98.8 మార్క్స్ విత్ 100% సెంటమ్స్ ప్రతి సబ్జెక్ట్లో 100% వచ్చాయి. అంటే ఫస్ట్ బ్యాచ్కు 100% రావడం చాలా అరుదుగా వస్తుంటాయి. కాబట్టి we congratulate all our principal, vice principals, staff, students and parents. They work together unitedly and they have got good marks, and all DPS schools and Pallavi schools, 15 schools 100% pass with. In each school, they got in different subject, different centers, and aggregate also increased this year. And 10th class also results are very good, and continue the last 5 years. They have scored very well, and we thank all the teachers, staff, and students, parents, keeping faith in us and sending their students. And we are doing our best. And not only academics, we are concentrating on sports. And lot of students are playing for Telangana in India, and some students are representing in the international tournaments also. And our motto is to develop the student all round, academics, sports, indoor, outdoor games, with art, culture, and all round development. And we want to make the students best all-rounder, so that they go anywhere in India, abroad, they have to successful in their lifestyle, and we want to make good citizens for our country. Thank you.